Join me as we challenge ourselves to try 21 easy hacks to supercharge our prayer lives and see how they transform our connection with God. Many of us strive to enhance our prayer lives, yet it can be challenging to maintain a meaningful and consistent practice. In this video, I want to share 21 easy hacks to help you supercharge your prayer life and deepen your connection with the divine. From overcoming distractions to finding inspiration, these hacks are designed to be practical, easy to implement, and effective in transforming your spiritual practice. Have you ever found yourself needing help to maintain a consistent prayer practice? You're not alone. So many of us face obstacles that prevent us from having a meaningful and fulfilling prayer life. One of the biggest challenges is distractions. We live in a world constantly vying for our attention, and it can be hard to quiet the mind and focus on prayer. Another common challenge is a need for more inspiration. We might feel like we're praying the same old prayers daily and lose our sense of connection and purpose. Perhaps you've also experienced dry spells in your prayer life, where you can't muster enthusiasm or motivation. Or you have a hard time prioritizing prayer and keeps getting pushed to the back burner. Whatever the challenge, it's easy to feel discouraged and give up on our prayer practice altogether. But I encourage you to keep going because a consistent and meaningful prayer life's benefits are life-changing. The good news is that there are simple and effective ways to overcome these everyday struggles and develop a rich, vibrant, and transformative prayer practice. Incorporating these 21 easy hacks into your daily routine can help you experience a more profound sense of connection, peace, and purpose. Let's dive in. Hack number 1 is to start small. If you struggle to find the time or motivation to pray, begin with 5 or 10 minutes daily. Hack number 2 is to find a quiet and comfortable prayer space free from distractions and interruptions. Hack number 3 uses a prayer journal to record your thoughts, feelings, and insights. Hack number 4 incorporates music or nature into your prayer practice to help you connect more deeply. Hack number 5 involves prioritizing prayer by scheduling it into your daily routine. Hack number 6 uses a prayer app or devotional to guide your prayers and inspire. Hack number 7 involves praying out loud to help you stay focused and engaged. Hack number 8 incorporates physical movement or gestures into your prayer practice to help you connect more deeply. Hack number 9 is to pray with a friend or accountability partner to provide support and encouragement. Hack number 10 is to try different types of prayer, such as journaling, meditation, or contemplation. Hack number 11 sets aside time for reflection and introspection to help you process your thoughts and feelings. Hack number 12 incorporates gratitude into your prayer practice by focusing on what you're thankful for. Hack number 13 is to pray for others to help you develop a sense of compassion and empathy. Hack number 14 is to use visualization techniques to help you connect with the divine. Hack number 15 incorporates fasting or meditation into your prayer practice to help you connect more deeply. Hack number 16 is to use scripture memory cards or apps. These can be used to meditate on specific verses, memorize them, incorporate them into prayers, and help you stay focused and engaged. Hack number 17 is to pray in different locations to help you connect with the world around you. Hack number 18 is to incorporate scripture or sacred text into your prayer practice to provide inspiration and guidance. Hack number 19 is to try praying at different times of the day to help you stay focused and energized. Hack number 20 is to use art or creativity in your prayer practice to help you express yourself uniquely and authentically. Finally, Hack 21 will make prayer a lifestyle by incorporating it into every aspect of your daily routine. Implementing these hacks into your daily life allows you to experience a more profound sense of connection, peace, and purpose. One of the most impactful hacks that can significantly transform your prayer life is to make prayer a priority. By scheduling prayer into your daily routine and treating it as non-negotiable, you can experience a deep sense of connection and purpose. I encourage you to try these hacks to see how they transform your prayer life. Remember, the key is to be consistent and persistent and prioritize prayer daily. Incorporating these 21 easy hacks into your daily routine, you can experience a more profound sense of connection, peace, and purpose. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you have a favorite hack you'd like to share. If you're interested in more content on spiritual practices, check out our other videos. tested faith when God is all you have left. The second video is revealing the truth, exploring faith's depth. Before I end, I invite you to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any inspiring content.